Hi there, we're going to make a pumpkin today out of soap savers that you get at the Dollar Tree. They cost $1.25 and they look like this. I'm trying to keep the sun out of my eyes here. They look like this. You will find them where they sell the shower caddy and shower curtains and rings and all that. This is at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And did you know you can make a pumpkin out of this? Well, this is going to be my first time, so we're going to make one together. To make things go a little quicker, you need a package of these. You need to go out in the woods and find some small sticks and cut it to your choice or your liking or whatever you want. Or you can buy them, but they're very expensive when you can get them out in the park or behind your house for free. And then you'll want some twine, only a couple of pieces. I'm guessing 8 inches. I just measured. I don't know if I'm right, but we'll see. And if you want from your dried flowers, just pick up, I save all these. And then sometimes the Dollar Tree has surprise bags and you can buy a bunch you don't know what you're getting. So I save everything and we're going to use one of these. And this is optional if you want to use it. And you can use orange paint of your choice. This is what I used. And I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. And you will need a brush. And I washed my brush and I reused it. As you can see, it's been used before. Actually, looks like I used this one on the pumpkin. So you need the pumpkin orange or spray paint or whatever you want. You may need 2 coats. So I'm going to bring you down. Hopefully my camera stays upright and it doesn't come off. We'll see. I've got other projects going on too here, so bear with me. Oh, we got some sun. Well, I think we'll be okay. So this is what you're going to start with right here. Then you're going to paint these. So I'm going to put these out of the way. So to make things go quicker, they need to dry about 24 hours. They're going to kind of look like this. And you have 2 of them. But you don't have to paint them orange. If you choose to paint them a different color, you can do so. If you like the color purple, choose the color purple. If you like green, do green. Do teal blue. Do whatever your heart says. Then you want to take one of these and you're going to put it right in. Oh, I don't know, maybe right there. Oh, I think, I don't know which end I want to use. That one or this one. I've not made one before. I think we'll use that. I think we'll use it kind of like that right there. And see how I sandwich them together? Don't they look like a pumpkin? These are 8 inches long. I may need them a little longer. I don't know. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around the pumpkin like this. Yeah, I needed a little bit and longer. I did 8 and I'm not going to throw those away. I'm going to keep them. I'm going to measure. Just for good measure, I'm going to go 12. I'm going to go a foot. I want to make sure, because you can always cut. No glue is needed, just a couple of pieces of twine. Just like this. And you can pick up twine. This is something I had on hand. So, you take it like this. Your stem isn't always going to be perfect in there. I'm just kind of looking. Maybe it needs to be a little longer. Yeah. Yeah. I think we'll go like this. Okay, then we're going to go like this. put it underneath the pumpkins, sandwiched together. We're going to go about, let's say about right there would look good. I'm echoing for some reason. I don't know why. This room is filled with crafts. Then we're going to tie it. But I'm going to bring it down here to the bottom. I want to tie it on the bottom. That way nobody can see. Again, this is the first time I've made it. I'm going by sight. Just like this, we're going to tie it. Oh, geez, I didn't know I was so strong. So that's okay right there. Let's cut that off. I can see I'm getting my strength back. That's a good thing. Oh, as some people would call me, what a moose. See how cute this is looking? And you just tie it on the bottom. I guess if you had some bale and twine around, that would work as well. And you can tie it a little bit tighter. Like this. Just going to cut this off like this. How cute is that? Is that not cute? You can put these wherever you want. You can make them a little tighter. I just didn't have strong enough twine. It said to use twine. You can just do a clean look by going like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this, if you choose to use one of these, and you're going to go right in like this. Or anything else that you have that you might want to make, that you might have a leaf or some burlap or something. Now, is this not cute or is this not cute? I'm just trying to make the leaf kind of cutesy. Now look at that. Does that not look like a pumpkin? Now I got this idea from Gnome and Backyard. So what do you all think? And you can move these wherever you want. I think I'm going to move these again. I'm going to use some different twine, but I wanted to show you how easy this was to put together. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Hey, have you ever seen a pumpkin that's been perfect? Not me. Okay, guys, that's that on the pumpkin. Now, I'm going to put that down. And then I'm going to come back up. Here we are again. Now, I got a giveaway. What did I do with a giveaway? Oh, shoot, I just had it right here in front of my eyes. Okay, be right back. It was underneath my next project that I'm getting to make. Okay, what it is a fall watch band. This is my last one that I have. And it's a, they says it's universal. It will go on Android and Apple. I have an Apple Watch. This is what mine looks like. I have pumpkins and this is leaves. I will keep mine on till after Thanksgiving, and I'm always thankful. So this will fit up to, it says 38 mm, 40 mm, and 41 mm. Fall, harvest, autumn. Right there if you want to take a still. And what you want to do is you want to use the word leaves in a sentence. Use the word leaves in a sentence. I will pick the winner on Monday. The cutoff time is 12 o'clock on Sunday because I might wake up in the middle of the night and just do it. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put the names in a hat or if I'm going to have my Ziggy machine pick a number. All depends how many we have in the drawer, and I hope we have more than the last one. So I hope you like this, everybody. I hope you like my little pumpkin. I can't remember which way I had it now, but how cute is that? And I'm going to move these around. You can move them around and make them a little even if you want. But hey, have you ever seen a pumpkin that's even? Not me. Have a great day. God bless. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.